In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can create and join a private server here in Roblox Steal Brainrot on PS4, PS5, and Xbox. It is extremely simple to do, so we're going to dive straight into this, but before we do, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below. If we could help you out further, I'm going to be doing my best to respond to every single comment down there. To begin though, go ahead and open up the Roblox Steal a Brainrot page. It may already be in your continue section, but if not, just go to the search bar up at the top and search for it manually. Once you find it, click on it, open it up. Now here is the important part. If you are on a console, whether it's PS4, PS5, or Xbox, you unfortunately cannot create or join a private server directly from the console. However, there is a workaround. What you're going to want to do is either grab your phone or your PC and log into the exact same Roblox account that you use on your console. Whenever you're logged in, once again, search for Steal a Brainrot, click on the game, and then scroll down, and at the very bottom of this page, you're going to see an option for servers. Go ahead and select that. From here, you'll have the option to create a private server or join someone else's private server as well. Essentially, go ahead and join someone's private server if you do have access. And once you've created or joined the private server on your phone or PC, just go back to your console and the private server is now going to show up on your account, and you can go ahead and join it, invite friends, and configure it however you would like. It really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.